Welcome to a ginger episode of Nama Japan. I'm here with Daisuke from Tokyo Food Adventures and his friend Kai. And they brought me here to Kanda, to a place called MANNISH. And apparently their big thing is shio ramen with a lot of ginger. So what that's all about, we're gonna check out in a second. All right, let's go.
Do it.
You said you've come here quite often?
Yeah, I came here. This is my maybe 4 times or 5th time, and I like this ginger ramen. When I feel sick, this is the one I have to try.
Quite refreshing in summer.
Yeah,
Alright,
it's good.
good.
Oh, it's yours.
玉入りです。お待たせしました。どうぞ。
Oh wow.
Very good. I like it.
So that was MANNISH here in Kanda. Shioshoga Ramen, salt-based ramen with some ginger zing to it. Broth that reminds you of a simple chicken broth with a lot of depth, with a lot of flavor, but not overly salty. A lot of like nice ginger flavor in the background. You've come here a couple of times.
Yeah.
What rating would you give the store?
I like this store. Like this is a shop I can regularly come and
Right.
try. So I don't know, maybe 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a high rating, right? And Kai.
Hey,
So for you, was the first time?
it's first time
Right.
for a ginger ramen.
First time ginger ramen
For
in
ginger
general,
ramen,
right?
Yeah.
So you're also ginger fan?
Well, I eat ginger every day, pretty much.
Okay.
But, I mean, for every dishes that we fry with gingers.
Oh, you're from Taiwan, right?
I'm from Taiwan.
Okay.
I mean, the ramen itself is pretty good,
Right.
but it's sort of that I can thought of like what kind of taste it was
Right.
already because
Okay.
I eat a lot of gingers already.
Right,
So I can
okay.
sort of thought about it. So, well, I mean, it's overall it's pretty good.
Yeah.
But it was not really surprised me. It's pretty good. I will say 8.
8 out of 10? All right.
8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Then, so for the final rating from my side, I would say it's a good 8. Definitely something in the area if you're here to make a detour for. I also really like the meat. It's chicken breast, but with the skin on, so it turns into like a kind of chashu in a way. You have like the fatty side, you have like the side with a little bit of more bite. But it's all very simple. It's all very, something that your mom could make for you. And I feel like in winter, this could be one of the places to bring you back out of a cold. That's all for today from the ramen side. You maybe wanted to say 1 or 2 words about your YouTube channel, Tokyo
Yeah.
Food Adventures.
Yeah, I have on my channel called Tokyo Food Adventures. So please check it out and subscribe.
What do you do with your channel?
I go to Japanese restaurants with the foreigner.
Right.
I meet on the streets. So they
So-
react to Japanese food and talk something about their countries.
So not everyone who talks to you in Shibuya like suddenly comes up to you and wants something is a scammer. So it could be this guy. So don't immediately run away.
Just say hi to me.
Yeah, you might get some free
Yeah.
food.
Yeah.
So I think that's all for today.
Okay, thank you.
And if you like my videos, click like, subscribe, check out his channel. I'll put it down in the description. And that's all.
All right.
If you want to see me, I have no YouTube channel, but you can find me right here in his YouTube and in
Right.
his YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can also see him in Daisuke's video. And that's all for today. So see you guys in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.
You're giving up?
Yeah, I think I've been hungry for too long. First meal, right? The next meal that I can eat, I'm satisfied more easily.